Hey guys, welcome back to K&A's Family Homestead. Back in the kitchen. We're going to start our 4-day meal plan. So I am going to hand it over to my wife because she is the one that is preparing this awesome 4-day meal. And she's going to go over step by step exactly what we're going to have for these 4 awesome days to come.
All right,
Go ahead, honey.
First is our snacks. We have a selection. It's a little over 4 days because there's a lot here, but just in case. We have almonds. I counted them out. These are single servings. We have peanuts. We have pepperonis with cheese. It's a favorite on the keto diet. We have celery with cream cheese and everything but the bagel seasoning to go on that. Then we have for lunch, we're having a caprese salad with the arugula, the mozzarella, and the tomatoes, along with a vinaigrette that we'll make with red wine vinegar and olive oil with some salt and pepper. Then we're gonna have a little like snack. Well, it's a lunch, but it's we have the ham, we have avocado, we have peppers, and we have cottage cheese. Then for dinner, we're gonna have stuffed chicken breasts with a side of a vegetable of our choice. I'm just getting ready to prep the chicken. I like to boil it first, and then I will stuff it for later.
Then guys, here we have keto and plant-based, so you can mix as you go what you want to eat, and all this here is all beneficial for you, whether you're a keto or a plant-based diet. And I had tasted these stuffed chicken breasts and they are amazing. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's see how this plays out.
This is Angel's because he wants some carrots, and then we have green bell pepper. Mine is just the cottage cheese, the pepperonis, and the green bell pepper because carrots have a little bit more sugar in it that I just don't want to mess with. Alright guys, there you have it. There goes the snacks, lunch, and dinner for the 4 days. This is our meal prep. I hope you guys enjoyed and inspires you to, eat healthy, eat good. Provide that good nutritious diet to your body. It definitely will put more years to your life. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and God bless.